Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro Shop Parts Department here. The product I want to focus on today is the Polo Wheel Trim. Now, along with a load of other products that Nissan have discontinued due to the age of the vehicle, you'll find it's some of the most important ones that we're missing. So we took it upon ourselves a couple of years back to recreate the iconic Polo Wheel Trim for the Figaro. Now, it's here, so it's been packaged exactly the same as the original, just to try and keep as much authenticity as possible. And here it is. So, like I said, it's a direct copy of the original, apart from a couple of specific changes. Firstly, we've reinforced the clips because we found on the originals the clips kept breaking and it was just down to too much strain on the plastic. And secondly, we have a zinc-plated retaining ring here instead of an open drab steel one. These are a direct replacement for the iconic wheel trim, and what you'll probably find is on your ones, these are either quite badly scuffed if they've met their match against the curb, or if not, just due to being plastic and their age, you'll get loads of micro cracking all over it, which you'll never be able to clean. Some people have tried to sand them and high build prime them and paint them. But by the time you've done that, it's much, much easier to get a brand new direct replacement. It takes 2 seconds to fit. You can literally rip the old one off, line that up with the valve and smack it on, make sure it's on nice and secure. These are available to buy individually or as a set of 4 should you wish to replace all of them all around the car. They're available on our website, so head over to www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk, head over to the parts department, search for Polo or wheel trim and you'll find them right there. Thank you very much.